How's it going? My name's Josh, and I just wanted to come on here and make a quick informative video about Bitcoin just because I've seen just such varying sentiments on it, and I just wanted to bring some clarity and just try to educate people on this new asset class. So at first glance, I think the first thing people assume about Bitcoin is that it's just like a stock. So it's just this thing that's just worth $63,000 right now, and if I buy it, I can maybe make some money. But it's really so much more than just a stock and a way to increase your net worth. It is a decentralized currency with full transparency. So taking a look at some of these stats, the current market cap of Bitcoin is 1.2 trillion. And then we see these numbers. This is the supply of Bitcoin. So this max supply here is the 21 million, which is a hard-coded amount that was set to be the max supply of Bitcoin that will ever come into existence. And that is a cap number that will never change because it's fundamental to the program and how it was written. And then, so this number here is this 19 million figure is the current total supply. So by the year 2140, we will hit the max supply of 21 million Bitcoin, but we are currently at 19,695,000. Now, so if we look at this chart, this shows the future supply of Bitcoin. So this here we can see that every 4 years there's an event called the Bitcoin halving, which means the rewards for mining are cut in half every 4 years. And I can make another video going more in depth on what mining is and how that works, but basically all you need to know is the amount of Bitcoin being put into circulation every 4 years is cut in half. So that shows why we're already at so close to that 21 million mark, but as we get further to that date, it'll get harder and harder. But that means that Bitcoin is a good store of value because its supply is deflationary, where you compare it to something like the US dollar, where we no longer have a gold standard that means our dollar is worth anything. That can just be printed infinitely. There's no limit to how many dollars can be created, but there is a limit, a hard cap limit to how much Bitcoin will ever be in existence. So I think that's a little bit of the basics of what Bitcoin is. It is a currency with a hard cap of how much will be created. Any Bitcoin can be split into any amount of pieces. Meaning you can just own a fraction of a Bitcoin. I think people look at the price and it seems intimidating because it's like, I don't have $63,000, but my current strategy is to just tuck away as much money as I can from my paycheck and just accumulate more Bitcoin over time. So hopefully this helps explain some of the basics, and I'm happy to do more videos going more in depth into some other topics. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.